Warm greetings to you, my dear viewers. I, Neeraj Lakra, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear viewers, I have given you all the parts of speech in my last video. So I will directly give you the definition with examples in this video. Noun. What is a noun? A noun is a word used as the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Examples: Akbar was a great king. Kolkata is on the Hooghly. The tiger is our national animal. The rose smells sweet. His courage won him honor. Let's examine these sentences. In the first sentence, the words Akbar and king refer to person. Akbar is the name of a person who was a king. So, Akbar and king are nouns in this sentence. In the second sentence, Kolkata is the name of a place and Hooghly is the name of a river. Kolkata and Hooghly are the name of places. Hence, Kolkata and Hooghly are nouns. Dear viewers, pause the video to examine the rest of the sentences to find out the nouns.
Adjective. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun. In other words, an adjective is a word which describes or gives more information about a noun. Examples: he is a brave boy. There are 20 boys in this class. In the first sentence, the word brave is the adjective because it gives or adds more information about the noun boy. In the same way, 20 and this are the adjectives in the second sentence because they give or add more or additional information about the nouns boys and class respectively. Pronoun. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Examples: John is absent because he is ill. The books are where you kept them. Let us examine the underlined words, whether they are used instead of nouns. John is absent because John is ill. In this sentence, John is repeated. We use pronoun in a sentence to avoid the repetition of the same name of the person. So, in the first sentence, he is used instead of John to avoid the repetition. In the place of John, he is used. Therefore, he is a pronoun. In the same manner, in the second sentence, the books are where you kept them. In this sentence, the word them is used instead of books. Therefore, them is a pronoun. Verb. What is a verb? A verb is a word used to express an action or state. Examples: the girl wrote a letter to her cousin. Kolkata is a big city. In the first sentence, the word wrote is a verb since it explains the act of writing. The word is in the second sentence is the verb. Is does not explain the action but explains the state. Therefore, the word is the verb in this sentence. Adverb. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word used to add something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Examples: he worked the sum quickly. This flower is very beautiful. He pronounced the word quite correctly. Let's see these sentences and find out the adverbs. As I told that the adverbs explains the verb or gives more meaning and information about the verb. In the first sentence, the word quickly is the adverb because it explains the verb worked. How did he do or worked out the sum? Quickly. So, the quickly is the adverb. Let's examine the second sentence, namely, this flower is very beautiful. In this sentence, the word very explains the word beautiful. We know that beautiful is an adjective because in this sentence it qualifies the noun flower. The word very adds more information about the adjective beautiful. So, very is an adverb. In the third sentence, there are two adverbs. They are quite and correctly. If we say he pronounced the word correctly, then also it is understood. But to add more or clear information, the word quite is added to correctly. So quite qualifies the word correctly, and quite is an adverb which qualifies another adverb, that is correctly. Preposition. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word used with a noun or a pronoun to show how the person or a thing denoted by the noun or pronoun stands in relation to something else. Examples: there is a cow in the garden. A fair little girl sat under a tree. In the first sentence, in is the preposition because the word in shows the relation between a cow and the garden. Similarly, under is the preposition in the second sentence, as under shows the relation between a fair little girl and a tree. Conjunction. What is a conjunction? A conjunction is a word used to join words and sentences. Examples: Rama and Hari are cousins. I ran first but missed the train. Let me tell you which is the conjunction in the first sentence. And is the conjunction here because and joins the two words, namely Rama and Hari. In the same way, in the second sentence, but is the conjunction as but joins the two sentences, namely I ran first and I missed the train. These two sentences are converted into one by using a conjunction but. So the conjunction but has joined two sentences. Interjection. What is an interjection? An interjection is a word used to express some sudden feelings or strong emotions. Now we have to understand what does sudden feeling or strong emotion mean. Sudden feeling or strong emotion means the expression of surprise, pain, anger or excitement. Examples: Hurrah, we have won the match. Alas, she is dead. In the first sentence, hurrah expresses happiness or excitement for winning the match. In the second sentence, the word alas expresses a sad feeling. So hurrah and alas are interjection words.